Alright, so before I start this video, I just want to say, 1, I am not a licensed or certified piercer, none of that. I'm just doing this because I want to. 2, this is not a tutorial. This is just content. So I don't want anybody like trying to replicate what I'm doing. This is just content. And 3, this is not my first time doing this. The first time I did this, I was 18 years old. So it's not my first rodeo. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J. That's J-A-Y. And if you're wondering why I'm so close to the camera, it's because in today's video I'm going to be piercing my smiley. Now, if you don't know what a smiley is, that is this skin that holds your up lip to your gums. Now, I gave my disclaimer at the beginning of the video, but let me just go ahead and say that I am not a licensed piercer and that this is not my first time piercing my own smiley. The first time I pierced my own smiley, I was 18 years old, and I had that piercing for 2 or 3 years before I decided to take it out because I didn't want to buy more jewelry to replace the ones that needed to be thrown away. So, I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Alright, so first I'm going to open up some gloves. These are the only gloves we had in the house that were not open. So, okay, now I'm going to show you what I'll be using. So I'm going to be using an actual, like, real life piercing needle. I'm not out here doing it with a safety pin. And then I'm going to be putting in this jewelry. I have other jewelry, but I think I want to start off with this one just in case I don't like it or I don't like the placement. I can switch it up. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this needle. It says it's supposed to be sterile, but I don't trust nobody. So I'm going to go ahead and run some peroxide over it. From what I heard, they don't sell alcohol in the UK because kids can drink it and stuff. But that's neither here nor there. Peroxide does the job. Okay. Now that that is cleansed off with some peroxide, we're going to go ahead and get this piercing started. So I'm just going to lift my lip up. And again, I'm going through right here. Okay. Y'all, I'm scared. All right, so now that my jewelry is ready to be put on, now I'm going to go ahead and pierce. I also took the gloves off because they were just too thick. But I promise my hands are clean. All right, so just going to lift this up. And I want it kind of further. Let me bring y'all down so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. Y'all might not see the top of my head, but okay. Okay. Where do I want it? I think I want it like here. It's through, guys. Now that that's through, I'm going to go ahead and push the jewelry through right behind it. Oh, that didn't work. All right, let's try to get this jewelry in. Yeah, I can't see in here. Hold on. Okay. I couldn't see in here, but I finally got the jewelry through. So now is the hard part. We have to get the ball on. All right, guys, this is the smiley piercing. So from what I remember, When you first get it done, first of all, you want to avoid like moving it around too much, because that can stop it from healing quick enough. Also, same with any piercing, flush it out with salt water twice a day for like the first week, and then every now and again, you know, if it's like irritating you after that. Definitely stay up on hygiene with your mouth, because that's like the nastiest place on your body. Like, there's germs all in there. You talking all day, breathing in, breathing out germs. So yeah, just stay up on, and now I'm talking weird. It's got my lip like poking out a little bit, but we'll get used to that. Stay up on your hygiene, all of that. Like, just make sure you're taking care of your mouth, brushing, flossing, mouthwash, all of that. But like I said, this is not a tutorial, so whatever. But yeah, guys, so this is my Smiley. For now, I kind of like the length, but I think eventually I want something that's a little lower, because when I went to the dentist told me that I have extra gums up here, like right above my two front teeth. I have extra gums, and she's like, you can get it removed. And I was like, y'all not sticking no needle in my gums, even though I just kind of did that. But yeah, so I have a little bit of extra gums at the top, so it doesn't hang the way I would like it to, but that's okay, because it's still cute. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's probably going to be very, very short, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.